So they claim.
They say yes. I'm not convinced. Video?
It's very good. The quality is very good.
Take this.
I need to reverse it.
I know.
There was a scorpion.
So first, one in Kinabatangan. Good, huh? Good job.
So we finally, at about 4 o'clock, we managed to capture this female elephant. It took us about 45 minutes to actually follow her, dart her successfully, and thank God we managed to do it. So now what we're doing is Danau Girang Field Centre is the staff is actually installing the satellite collar that will be used to monitor her positions from now on. And what I've done, we always collect.
Thank you, Benoit.
Number 35.
Well, apalagi mau disukuat. Siap, siap.